so into it. Mine would like sit on
Mr.
the
Ori,
piano.
he would just be like, they were so good.
G'day mates, welcome to the Aussie 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 News. I'm your anchor, Todd. And today we'll be talking about a rising problem in our world today, especially affecting our Great Barrier Reef. Here's my co-anchor, Nick Lopez Villa.
Thanks, Todd. In the past years, due to the warming water temperatures, corals all around the world are getting overly stressed, causing them to die, turning a bright shade of white. Back to you, Gerald.
The reason why this is such a big problem is because of a process called coral bleaching. He's a coral reef studies expert to talk about the pressing matter.
Hey, welcome to Aussie 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 News. So, to start off, what is coral bleaching?
Thank you for having me. That's a good question. Basically, coral bleaching occurs with warm water temperatures as a result of global warming. This change in the water makes the coral become stressed, causing it to expel the algae living within their tissue, turning the coral completely white.
Wow, interesting. Why are coral reefs so important to our Earth?
Coral reefs are important for various reasons. Not only do they provide food and shelter for thousands of diverse marine animals and plants, but they are also the source of nitrogen and other essential nutrients for marine food chains, and they help with nutrient recycling.
Wow, that sounds important. Why do such large numbers of marine species live in reefs?
Well, coral reefs are such a great ecosystem for these fish. There are many symbiotic relationships between many species. Fish also use corals as a way to camouflage themselves against predators. They use coral reefs as mating grounds, and it often is used as a cleaning station between fish. For example, big barracudas change their colors to indicate shrimp and other cleaning fish that it wants to get rid of all its parasites and waste found underneath its scales. It also offers fish opportunities to communicate with the other species as a food and mating source.
That explains why the Great Barrier Reef is so important. What is going to happen if the entire reef dies off?
Basically, the fish that survive in these reefs will have nowhere to coexist with other species, and their symbiotic relationship will eventually die off, ending all ties between fish. This fossil relationship of these animals are detrimental to our environment, and will end up with many fish dying off from lack of food, shelter, mating, and each other.
What can we do as humans to help our ocean environment get it back to the way it was?
Well, our problems always trace back to the Earth's rising global warming problem. One important thing we can do is conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater will produce in our oceans. Another way is to help reduce pollution by walking, biking, or riding the public bus. Fossil fuel emissions from cars and industry lead to ocean warming, which causes mass bleaching of corals and can lead to widespread destruction of reefs.
Wow, well, thank you so much for reading with me today. We here at Aussie 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 News appreciate it tremendously. Have a great afternoon. Back to you, Todd.
Thank you, coral reef expert. It was very interesting to learn so much about our coral reefs. If you're out there watching, remember to conserve water and try not to use fossil fuels as much as possible. Here from Aussie 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 News, I'm your anchor, Todd. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Coral reefs.
Coral reefs.